Dollar Tree is filling its shelves with 12NW finds that shoppers are grabbing fast. From smart kitchen essentials to cleaning, beauty, storage, and everyday must-haves, these $1.25 deals could disappear quickly. But we'll also reveal 3 products you may want to skip before spending your money. 1. Sipper tumbler with handle. Staying hydrated throughout the day doesn't have to mean spending a lot on reusable drinkware. The Sipper tumbler with handle is one of Dollar Tree's practical finds because it gives you a convenient way to carry water, iced tea, lemonade, or another favorite drink. Similar reusable tumblers typically sell for around $5 to $12 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. The built-in handle makes it easier to carry around the house, take to work, bring to school, or use while running errands. It can also be a handy extra cup to keep in the kitchen for guests or family members. At just $1.25, this is an easy, everyday item to add to your cart without spending much. Simple drinkware finds like this can disappear quickly when shoppers discover them. If you spot the Sipper tumbler with handle, grab one before it's gone. 2. Modern White's Oral Care Set. Keeping your daily oral care routine stocked can get expensive, especially when you're buying individual products at regular retail prices. The Modern White's Oral Care Set is an interesting Dollar Tree find for shoppers who want to try a whitening-focused oral care option without spending much. Similar oral care sets can typically sell for around $6 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. The set can be useful for keeping at home, adding to a travel bag, or having as a backup when you need an extra oral care product. It's also a convenient option for shoppers who like discovering affordable personal care finds while browsing Dollar Tree. At just $1.25, you can give it a try without making a big investment. Since name brand and specialty oral care products can attract shoppers quickly, this is one worth checking for during your next visit. If you spot the Modern White's Oral Care Set, grab one before it's gone. 3. Scotch-Brite Harvest Cozy Clean Collection. Keeping your kitchen clean can be a lot more enjoyable when your everyday cleaning supplies have a seasonal touch. The Scotch-Brite Harvest Cozy Clean Collection is one of those Dollar Tree finds that combines a familiar cleaning brand with a fun seasonal design. Similar Scotch-Brite cleaning products can often sell for around $6 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. These cleaning essentials can be useful for everyday jobs around the kitchen, including wiping surfaces, cleaning dishes, and handling those quick messes that happen throughout the day. The Harvest Cozy Clean theme also makes them a nice seasonal addition if you like coordinating your kitchen supplies with the time of year. At just $1.25, you can pick one up without spending much, and the recognizable Scotch-Brite name makes this an especially interesting Dollar Tree discovery. If you spot the Harvest Cozy Clean collection, grab it before it's gone. 4. Paste cleaner dupe for the pink stuff. Tackling stubborn messes around the house can be frustrating when ordinary cleaners don't seem to get the job done. The paste cleaner dupe for the pink stuff is an interesting Dollar Tree find for shoppers looking for an affordable cleaning paste that can help with everyday buildup and grime. Similar cleaning pastes can sell for around $5 to $11 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. A cleaning paste like this can be useful for tackling dirty sinks, stovetops, countertops, bathroom surfaces, and other hard household areas where regular wiping may not be enough. Its paste-style formula also makes it easy to apply directly where you need extra cleaning power. At just $1.25, it's an inexpensive product to keep with your other household cleaning supplies. If you enjoy finding affordable alternatives to popular cleaning products, this one is definitely worth checking out. If you spot it, grab one before it's gone. 5. Brillo Basics Multi-Use Reusable Wipes. Cleaning up everyday spills and messes is much easier when you have reusable wipes within reach. The Brillo Basics Multi-Use Reusable Wipes are a practical Dollar Tree find for kitchens, bathrooms, countertops, appliances, and other surfaces around the home. Similar reusable cleaning wipes can sell for around $4 to $10 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. Their reusable design makes them useful for handling everyday cleaning jobs without constantly reaching for disposable paper towels. You can keep them under the kitchen sink, in a cleaning cabinet, or anywhere you regularly need a quick wipe. The familiar Brillo name also makes this an interesting find for shoppers who prefer recognizable cleaning brands. At just $1.25, it's an inexpensive item to add to your household cleaning supplies. Practical cleaning products like these can move quickly when shoppers discover them. If you spot the Brillo Basics Multi-Use Reusable Wipes, grab them before they're gone. 6. Royal Norfolk Kitchen Cutlery Set. If you're looking for an easy way to refresh your kitchen without spending a lot, the Royal Norfolk Kitchen Cutlery Set is a Dollar Tree find worth checking out. This set gives you useful everyday utensils that can be kept in a kitchen drawer, added to a new apartment, or used as extras when you have guests over. Similar kitchen cutlery pieces and sets can often cost around $5 to $12 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. The practical design makes these utensils useful for everyday cooking and serving, while the low price means you don't have to worry about spending a lot to add a few extras to your kitchen. It's also the kind of product that can be easy to overlook because it looks simple, but these everyday essentials are exactly what many shoppers need. If you spot the Royal Norfolk Kitchen Cutlery Set for $1.25, grab it before it's gone. 7. Vented Food Storage Container. Leftovers and meal prep can quickly take over the refrigerator, which is why the vented food storage container is such a useful Dollar Tree find. The vented lid is designed to make reheating food more convenient, while the container itself gives you an easy way to store leftovers, snacks, or prepared meals. Similar vented food storage containers can often cost around $5 to $10 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. It's especially useful for busy families, meal prepping, packing lunches, or simply keeping your refrigerator more organized. Having several containers on hand can also make it easier to separate different foods instead of using disposable bags or random containers. At just $1.25, you can pick up an extra one without making a big dent in your budget. If you're looking for practical kitchen organization, this is definitely worth checking out. If you spot the vented food storage container, grab one before it's gone. 8. Storage Essentials Clear Rotating Kitchen Turntable. Keeping your kitchen organized becomes much easier when everything has a place, and the Storage Essentials Clear Rotating Kitchen Turntable is a simple product that can make a noticeable difference. The clear design lets you see what's stored inside, while the rotating base makes it easier to reach items without moving everything around. Similar clear rotating kitchen turntables can often cost around $8 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. You can use one inside a kitchen cabinet, pantry, refrigerator, or even on a bathroom counter for smaller everyday products. It's especially useful for organizing sauces, spices, bottles, snacks, beauty products, or cleaning supplies. At just $1.25, you could pick up several and create a more organized storage system without spending much. If you spot the Storage Essentials Clear Rotating Kitchen Turntable, grab one before it's gone. 9. Essentials XXL Heavy-Duty Storage Bag. If you're constantly running out of space for bulky household items, the Essentials XXL Heavy-Duty Storage Bag is a Dollar Tree find worth checking out. The extra-large design gives you plenty of room for storing clothing, blankets, seasonal decorations, toys, bedding, or other items that are difficult to organize in regular containers. Similar heavy-duty storage bags can often cost around $6 to $12 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. The larger size is especially useful when you're switching seasonal wardrobes, preparing for a move, or simply trying to clear up clutter around the house. Instead of buying several smaller bags, one oversized storage bag can help keep bigger items together and easier to transport. At just $1.25, it's an inexpensive organization solution with plenty of everyday uses. If you spot the Essentials XXL Heavy-Duty Storage Bag, grab one before it's gone. 10. Cooking Concepts Wooden-Handled Skimmer. If you spend a lot of time cooking, having the right utensil for small kitchen tasks can make everything easier. The Cooking Concepts Wooden-Handled Skimmer is a simple but useful Dollar Tree find designed for lifting foods out of hot oil, boiling water, soups, or sauces while allowing excess liquid to drain away. Similar kitchen skimmers can often cost around $5 to $10 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. The wooden handle gives it a comfortable, traditional feel, while the skimmer design makes it useful for everything from fried foods to pasta and vegetables. It's also a handy utensil to keep as a backup, especially if you cook frequently or have a larger family. At just $1.25, you can add another kitchen tool without spending much. If you spot the Cooking Concepts wooden-handled skimmer, grab one before it's gone. 11. Crinkle Cutter Knife. If you enjoy making homemade fries, vegetables, or fun-looking snacks, the Crinkle cutter knife is a simple Dollar Tree find that can make food preparation a little more interesting. Its ridged blade creates a crinkle cut pattern, giving ordinary potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and other vegetables a more restaurant-style appearance. Similar crinkle cutters can often cost around $5 to $10 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. It's especially useful for families because kids may be more interested in eating vegetables when they have a fun shape and texture. You can also use it for preparing snacks, garnishes, or homemade fries without needing a complicated kitchen gadget. At just $1.25, it's an inexpensive tool to keep in your kitchen drawer whenever you want to add something different to a meal. If you spot the Crinkle cutter knife, grab one before it's gone. 12. Easter Bunny Ear Headbands. If you're looking for a simple way to add some seasonal fun to an outfit, the Easter Bunny Ear Headbands are an easy Dollar Tree find to check out. These playful headbands can be used for Easter celebrations, family photos, school events, parties, or even just a fun activity with kids. Similar seasonal bunny ear headbands can often cost around $5 to $10 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. They're also inexpensive enough that you can pick up several different styles for the whole family without spending much. Seasonal items like these usually have a limited shopping window, so waiting until closer to the holiday can mean finding empty shelves. At just $1.25, this is a small purchase that can add a lot of fun to an Easter celebration. If you spot the Easter Bunny Ear Headbands, grab them before they're gone. 13. Christristen Satin Headband. If you want an easy way to keep your hair back without spending a lot on accessories, the Christristen Satin Headband is a Dollar Tree find worth checking out. Satin headbands can be useful for keeping hair away from your face while getting ready, doing skincare, relaxing at home, or creating a simple everyday hairstyle. Similar satin headbands from beauty brands can often cost around $6 to $12 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. The satin material also gives the headband a smoother, more polished feel than many basic fabric accessories. And because it's from the Christristen brand, shoppers who already recognize the name may be especially interested in finding it at Dollar Tree. At just $1.25, it's an inexpensive beauty accessory to add to your routine. If you spot the Christristen satin headband, grab one before it's gone. 14. Dual-ended microfiber car vent cleaning brush. Cleaning the small spaces inside your car can be surprisingly difficult, especially around air vents, dashboards, and other narrow areas where dust quickly builds up. The dual-ended microfiber car vent cleaning brush is designed to make those hard-to-reach spots much easier to clean. One end can help reach into narrow vent openings, while the microfiber side can pick up dust and fine debris from surfaces. Similar car detailing brushes can often cost around $6 to $12 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. It's small enough to keep in your glove box or center console, so you can quickly clean your vents whenever they start looking dusty. For anyone who likes keeping their car interior clean without spending money on professional detailing products, this is a useful little tool. If you spot the dual-ended microfiber car vent cleaning brush, grab one before it's gone. 15. 7-inch metal speed square. If you enjoy DIY projects, woodworking, or basic home repairs, the 7-inch metal speed square is one of those tools that can be surprisingly useful to have around. A speed square helps you measure, mark, and create straight lines and angles more accurately, making it handy for small construction projects, cutting boards, framing, and other household tasks. Similar metal speed squares can often cost around $6 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. The compact 7-inch size also makes it easy to store in a toolbox, garage drawer, or workshop without taking up much room. Having one available can save you from trying to measure angles with improvised tools when working on a project. At just $1.25, this is an inexpensive addition to a basic DIY toolkit. If you spot the 7-inch metal speed square, grab one before it's gone.